This is brought to you by frostbitesystems.com. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to install software through the add remove programs. Real easy to do. Come up to systems, come down to administration, click on add remove software. And here we go. This is a real easy one to use. I always make sure this is on all packages, and it is, so that's good. Come up to the little search box here, and you just type in whatever piece of software you want to install. I'm going to install FileZilla. Alright, type that in, click on Find. And there we go, it brings up FileZilla. So all I gotta do is click on the box there, come down to Apply, click on Apply. It's downloading packages now. Testing changes. It's installing the packages now. And there you have it, it's done. It just installed FileZilla. So X out of this. Come over to Applications, under Internet. Yeah, and there it is, FileZilla. And that's how you install software through the add remove program in Fedora 12. Remember to check out our store at frostbitesystems.com and our blog at frostbitesystems.org. And thanks for watching.